Thank you very much for finishing this course. Awesome work getting all the way through it or skipping to the bottom to find the bonus. Either way, thank you for making it to the very last video in the course. This video is going to show you how to get every other course that Ermin's teaching for 50% off. And it will show you how to get free coupons to any course I'm teaching. And it will recommend some courses you might want to do next. So this is my website, jerrybanfield.com/courses. I'm grateful that I'm teaching with Ermin because Ermin just wants to teach. He doesn't want to fool around with having to do marketing, spend thousands of dollars advertising courses, and figure out the way to do it. My specialty is internet marketing, online advertising. So Ermin and I have teamed up. All he does then is make the courses, and my primary role is to advertise them and sell them. That's why you're here with me now, and explain the value of them to you. So all the courses you can find Ermin's profile in the course. You can always just search on Udemy for Ermin Kraponic and click on Ermin Kraponic there. Now you can see the courses Ermin is currently teaching. Now some of these, by the time you watch this, there may be more. This is the first course we made together. If you want to learn about Wireshark and tracking network traffic, this may be really helpful for you. The complete hacking course, you're enrolled in this now. The Red Hat Linux and CentOS, if you want to continue to enhance your Linux skills and maybe take the Linux Red Hat Certified System Administrator exam, this might be a great course to take next. For hacking, if you want to have your own functional keylogger, this seems to be one of the favorite courses people take next. Is shows you exactly how to build an advanced keylogger using C++. It currently is undetectable by any antivirus software, and Ermin shows you how to build it from start to finish. If you don't know C++ at all, you might want to take this Learn and Understand C++ course first, and then take the advanced keylogger course after that so that you'll be more comfortable in C++ to build the keylogger. Then this is a free course. If you're in the hacking course, this just has the first couple of hours for free. So if you're already in the hacking course, there's no need to take this one. If you want to master the Linux command line and advance your bash programming, then this bash programming course with Ermin might be a good course to take next. So you can see the prices on here, and you can get 50% off all of these on my website. So Ermin's courses are currently right in the middle, straight down. So the hacking, Wireshark, bash, keylogger, understand C++, Red Hat, straight down in the middle. To get these, all you do then, you just click on the coupon and it opens up a page with the coupon already applied. So to do this, I have to go private browser because I'm already browsing this now. So this is what it'll look like. You can see it with the coupon already applied, and then you just click on any other link. For example, if I go back here, grab one to the Wireshark course and then come back over and tab this in, then you put that in. You can see then it's 50% off that way. So any of these links will get you 50% off to Ermin's courses. Now I have 60 plus courses on Udemy right now. I'm Jerry Banfield. So you go find my profile. You can see how many courses I'm teaching, and you can get half off of any of those courses also on this page. When you combine the skills you learn with Ermin with the skills you learn with me, you can have some fantastic capabilities online. I teach a lot of online advertising and marketing courses. I have a How to Teach on Udemy course, just like I'm doing here with you now. I have a freelancing course, which could really help you if you want to apply these skills you have with ethical hacking to freelancing and making money online. If you want to have a happy, fully productive life, my 10 Daily Goals course and 4-Hour Workday course might be great for that. You can learn about Bitcoin. I would think there's a great opportunity to use Bitcoin in the world of ethical hacking, especially. You might enjoy this Bitcoin course I'm teaching with the top Bitcoin instructor on Udemy. I have Fiverr courses, healthy courses, AdSense courses, digital marketing. I have an Ubuntu Linux course you might enjoy, an Xamarin course, a productivity, video production, Google Analytics, startup, endless courses that I've both made videos in and am teaching with other people. I've tried to compare up with instructors who are similar to me. So you can see Ermin's teaching style and my teaching style has a big overlap. So then all of the courses I'm teaching, it tends to work the same way. So you can check out, I even have a free course with over 200 videos in it, a daily inspirational course. People seem to really like this one. Designing and building your own computer, another great thing you can do, especially if you want to do your ethical hacking at a more effective level. So you can get 50% off of all of these courses on my website. Now, I even have a sweet free offer here. So if you scroll down on the very bottom of my website, you'll notice I have an offer to get a free Udemy course coupon every week via email. This is something new I've just started. So if you put your name and email in here and subscribe, I will send you a free coupon every single week to one of my Udemy courses. So sometimes they'll be with Ermin. Most of the time they won't be because I have so many courses already. And Ermin, you can see from what we were teaching before, he has 6 or 7 courses with me. So over 52 weeks, most of the courses will be what you see on this page. And then I also, if you were wanting to learn to build a business online like I have a resources page here on the top of my website. It shows everything I use to run my business. From my hosting, my theme, it shows all the things I use to film in my studio. It shows how I manage and keep track of my finances. For my business, it shows my home office setup, and it shows then other places I even host my courses. I have a blog on my website, and Ermin also has started a vlog on his YouTube channel. If you just Google Ermin Krpanek YouTube, you can find Ermin's YouTube channel, and he's starting a vlog on there that then gives you the chance to keep up with Ermin. So if you want to get to that on my profile, you can click on my YouTube channel. It'll take you over to my YouTube channel, and then on the hacking video I've done with Ermin, which you might have seen already, it'll have Ermin listed as a collaborator on here. And this takes you over to Ermin's channel. You can see this is his newest update on his vlog. And then if you subscribe to Ermin, like you can see, I'm subscribed to Ermin now. I've subscribed to Ermin here, so I get his video updates also. So if you can use all these links on my profile to find these things for yourself. So my website is full of things you might find helpful. A free Udemy course coupon every single week down here. I even have a page where I have books that I've written. Here's an Ubuntu Linux book you might like. And then you can even schedule a call with me if you want to talk with me about something. This is the way, if you want to get a hold of me and actually get me to pay attention to something, a call is the way to do it. So I hope sharing all this with you is useful. If you want more ethical hacking courses even, I've got a page on my jerrybanfield.com/courses. It even has other ethical hacking courses you might enjoy based on the ones I'm teaching already. So if you click ethical hacking course coupons on my website at jerrybanfield.com/hacking, you'll see Ermin's courses here, and then you'll see some other ones you might enjoy to continue your ethical hacking. So that's on jerrybanfield.com/hacking. Thank you very much for finishing this course up. I hope to see you again wherever it is next on another course, my YouTube channel, website, email list. Thank you, and I hope you have a great day.